Because the atlas protects critical structures like the brainstem, vagus nerve, and vital blood flow pathways, correcting a misalignment of this bone must be a gentle, precise process personalized for each patient. Unlike traditional chiropractic methods that involve neck twisting or cracking, Atlas Clinics offers a pain-free modern-day solution. We utilize customized x-rays and spinal engineering software to accurately measure your misalignment. Using this information, we correct the misalignment with one gentle sound wave tailored to your specific needs. Due to the accuracy and delivery of this adjustment, the proper alignment holds in place for extended periods of time. This gives your body the time that it needs to heal from the compensations due to this misalignment and eliminate the need for multiple visits per week.